Jamaica Good Life. See that? See that, people? Like that. Jamaica Good Life. And this we talk about. No amount of money can replace this, yes, sir. Oxygen make we suck in the air. Breathe hard. Breathe hard, people. Breathe hard because yes, sir. Look on the sun is coming out today. I'm in a lockdown country like this. Where not look. Look on the freshness, man. We're from Litchfield, Manchester. Wow. Today's a happy day. Wish I could go further, but not everybody have to see. How you feel, man? The trip was worth it. Yeah, I think. Crowd up there, so. Coming back to check my trees, see what's going on with my trees. Whoa, guava on the land. So wait there. Oh, it's here, so no rain. See my fever grass there. Yes, I'm gonna plant the fever grass. Where the ackee tree there? Where the ackee tree there? Ackee tree, where you there? You don't survive. You don't make it. Ackee tree. Where you there? Boy, that's why you don't feel help out nobody and take care of your own things, you know. You see me take care of the whole world and my ackee tree not make it, that's how it going on. But say fever grass make it. Love me. I love you now. Love you now. You say me love you now. I love you now. Eh? I don't make it. Make it. Hmm? You don't make it spring up again. You don't make it to blouse and shirt and there real fever grass. You know, see people and everything you do in life, people fight you. Even get fight down your plant like a thing, they might fight me. But my fever grass by the grace of God, my fever grass them make it my love, you know. So let me see cow. Let me see what else make it. Right there. What a piece of rain come down here, so. The mint them make it. Boy. The orange tree make it. What a piece of rain, sir. Eh? Orange tree. Hold on. The mint them not make it. Oh, go over there. What go on? Yeah, sir. I check on the tree them. Yeah, I saw about the rain did come. River from up there, sir. Where I said to me? So, all along here, so. Oh. At your house? Eh? Give me a name. We need a name. That's over the thing, you know? River. Yeah. River run through my land. How so much guava? All mango too. Are you the plant the mango? Well, I'm not going to get some of this. You have no bag? Thank you, sir. Wow, I'm in land, you know, people. When you have your land and guava enough. So the whole mint me and Lenky plant. Nothing. Orange tree, one orange tree. You have to really watch the water dangerous. Our neighbors good. Mango tree survive, but you know what I'm going? I try to spend enough time with people things. I don't spend enough time with my things. That is my problem. I always I do for people. And now I do for self. That going to change soon. But the mint them never make it. So a big cedar tree there. And so the water, I have to build up high because water run through the whole of this. Whenever there's a lot of rain, it's good to know. Right. Let's go over there on the tree. Look for mango. Mango tree. A mango on it. Never give me a Alright, let's stop. One love, my brother. Respect. Hold on, Bill. Alright, now go build a hut first. So you'll see me now a hut. You feel me? Them can't tap me. Alright, you going to see me? I go build a bamboo hut first. How long you build? How long you build? Years now? Where you come from? Brooklyn? New York? Which part? Leicester. Well, we're neighbors. I'm Randy. It's a pleasure meeting you, brother. You'll see me soon. My bamboo soon drop. Later. Yeah. There's guava there. Guava. Some guava juice. People, I started going on. Enough things you plant. Fever grass catch. Fever grass. Guava. Oh, nice. Wow, we just a drop on ground. Sugar cane banana blow down. That's how it go. But sometimes I can start over the fever grass and the guava tree. That's why I must plant. And sometimes I really treat them, you know. Sometimes I who plant it. Plant the fever grass then. I learned from this trip. I'm gonna make some nice. I might have to do this. Replant the fever grass and I'm gonna make some nice.
Okay, so you still come out. Okay.
Miss Doris Bent.
Ready?
Yes.
Peter know the top, you know?
Huh?
Peter and Laura are friends, you know? I'm telling him that you and Laura are friends.
Okay, okay.
You want to top shop, you know?
Yeah?
And then you buy your fruits in around this.
Okay.
I'm telling him that that's where you buy your fruits. Okay, yes,
Jamaica Good Life from Miss Doris' house.
the big sweet one.
Tell you what, you ever blend this with ginger?
They do it at the shop.
Oh, because it's nice with ginger, man. And yesterday, I sat down, I didn't have anything doing. I sat down, I blend it
With the ginger.
in the fridge when I want something cool to drink. No, me just,
This one in the baby Randy with 2 stuff.
You know, leave those for the ground.
We get a lot of fertilizer.
Well, it's a blessing. Back at Jamaica Good Life house now. See there now? This is soaked Irish potato grater, seasoned, some fish seasoning, Maggie seasoned upon it, and me cook it down. You see me? And phew, Lord of mercy. I want some Himalayan salt to put on it. Jamaica Good Life. People, see it there? Right now, we have the, so I deal with 2 fried fish, 2 avocado slice right in the backyard in Jamaica. And so we are deal with the thing, you know. Jamaica Good Life, no normal with the thing. See it there? Foot backyard. Yeah, man. This a grater Irish potato. Then you season it. You put some skeleton and thyme and you soak in the water for about 3 hours. Right? Then you season them and then you saute it with some Maggi chicken over. You see me? Then you fry your fish. You don't put too much seasoning on your fish and you just let it go. You want to taste the fish, not the seasoning. You dig? Back up and running, love and light. Strong. Good for you, man. Hold on there. Alright, stand up straight. You get it? Alright, you know what the mission is?
Yeah, man.
You know what you have to do. I'm going to leave you. I'm here with you.
You're not gonna leave me, man. You're not gonna leave. You know you're into it. You're there and
So
you're
you know why
the other way.
you know why you have that.
Yeah. You know why, man. I tell you, people.
Alright, brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Alright. Love you.
Yeah, man.
See you soon.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we can't jump direction with that. This is where that we talk. Alright, love,
Alright.
be firm.
Alright.